Hey guys, welcome to my TED Talk.
Keep it 100, nigga, nothing lesser. I got your bitch counting up the cheddar. Put 7 stitches on my motherfucking sweater. Balenciaga's when I'm motherfucking stepping. Yeah. Shout out my cousin, he just beat a felony. I can't be fucking with niggas with jealousy.
Hey guys, it's your girl Samara, aka MelaninPrincess. If you are new to this channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. But if you're a part of the family, you already know what to do. You have to keep on watching. So in today's video, actually, I'll be going over and explaining in five minutes what is Forex, because I get so many questions on Forex and things like that. So enough of me talking, let's get into this video. The first question is, what is Forex? Forex is the largest financial market in the world. It accumulates $6.6 trillion daily. Y'all heard trillion? Trillion. Comment below and tell me how many zeros is in a trillion. Okay, Forex itself stands for foreign exchange. Okay, so basically, let's say you're going to Europe, because I know everybody travels. Let's say you're going to any country in the world, and pretty much you have to exchange your US dollars into that country's currency. Little did you know, you actually played a role in foreign exchange. You actually did you know that? You probably didn't even know that, but you did. So pretty much Forex itself is the value of the country's currency. So I know a lot of people always ask me and say, well, I feel like Forex and stocks are the same. Okay, yes, you can make money, good money in both, but Forex makes trillions of dollars a day, whereas stocks makes billions of dollars a day. So which market would you go into first, trillions or billions? Also, stocks is based off the value of the company. So let's say Nike's value, Starbucks value, all the company's value. Whereas with Forex, it's going based off the currency value of the country. Okay, so the US dollar, the value of the euro in Europe, and so on, pretty much. Go back into giving you guys a brief example of Forex so you can kind of understand just a little bit, okay? So let's say I'm taking you guys on a trip to Europe. Okay, we're going to Europe. All right, get your bags together, whatever. Okay, so I give you guys $100, US dollars, 100 US dollars. You have to exchange your 100 US dollars into euros, so you're able to purchase anything in Europe, okay? Pretty much whatever $100 is in euros, you may get like 90 euros back. I'm not sure what the equivalence of $100 is in euros, but you get 90 euros for say, okay? So let's say the trip is over, but you still had that 90 euros, you barely touched it. You come back to the States and you're converting back, you're exchanging your money back into $100 euros, right? But you may get $110 back, or you may get $89 back. The reason behind that is because the currency rate changes. Really, Forex itself changes every day. The market is open 5 days out the week, 24/7. You make money while you're asleep, while you're up, whatever the case may be, it's open, okay? All right, so now you may ask, how can I make money? How can I get the money? You know, that's the big picture, right? So pretty much that is very simple. All you have to do is buy when it's low and sell when it's high. You guys probably can't really see it, and I'm not gonna zoom in right now because I'll have more videos on this, but you buy when it's low and you sell when it's high, okay? So for example, your girl just bought the new Jordans, okay? The off-white 4s, you know what I'm saying? So the picture will be over here, okay? So you can see how bomb these shoes is. Okay, so the retail price that I paid for was $250, okay? Boom. These Jordans, y'all know Jordans period sell out fast, okay? These shoes that I got for $250, now I can sell these bad boys for $500 to $1,000. So pretty much I made a profit, and that's all we're doing in the Forex market. We're making profits off currency. It's that simple. That's all we do. So we're pretty much buying currency and we're pretty much selling currency, and that's how we make our profits. So instead of actually going to Africa, Europe, whatever country that you want to go to and physically exchange that currency to make profit, Guys, we're literally doing it on our phones. If you have a mobile device, you literally can make money off your phone, and that's what we're simply doing.
Oh my God! Wow!
So this is the simplest way that I can explain Forex to you guys. If you want to know more, if you're interested into being a part of my investment group, just DM me via Instagram or just personally email me. All of my contact information is going to be in my description below. If you have any other questions that's based on Forex or investing overall, just comment below and ask a question on what you may be stuck on, or if you want a brief detailed video on, and I am more than happy to make that video for you guys. Also, if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl, because your girl, y'all already know, y'all been doing y'all thing. I'm about to give out a giveaway pretty soon. When your girl hit 1,000 subscribers, which is real soon, that giveaway is coming, guys. Before I let you guys go, I want you guys to keep this in mind. Did you know, this is a gem. This is a gem that I'm letting you guys know. Did you know that the money that's in your account, your bank account, Capital One, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, whatever bank account that you have, that money that's in your account, did you know that your bank is actually using that money to flip it in the market? Did you know that? Did you know that? Because I don't think, maybe you did, but maybe you didn't. But did you know? See, this is the reason why you have to get into Forex trading. It's a must, period. All right, but other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and peace.